Hi everyone. I know a lot of you have been asking about Gavin and me. Ang daming speculations. We really tried our best to work things out. Yes, nakikita ninyo kaming masaya on cam, pero sa likod ng camera, we also have our own problems and struggles na kami lang ang nakakaalam. Nilaban po namin hanggang sa huli. I just want to clear things up. Hindi lang po kami for the views or anything. What Gavin and I had was real. Dumadating po siguro talaga yung time na hindi mo na maramdaman yung mutual feelings. Sa love, kailangan parehas kayong nagmamahal. I am aware of the speculations and rumors spreading online. Magkaibigan po sila, nabigyan lang po ng mali siya ang mga kumalat ng pictures based sa kung ano lang po ang nakikita. Pero lahat po yon bago mangyari ay alam ko na dahil pinapaalam lahat ni Gavin. Please don't make any judgments or spread fake news without confirmation. It's just that the time po nalabas ang pasan, naglabasan na po ang mga kung ano-anong haka-haka. Matagal po naming sinubukan ng lahat. Our decision is mutual. Like what I've said, we tried our best to make it work. This is not easy for either of us, especially for our families who are also hurting through this. To Elga, thank you for giving us the time to process the pain and finally face this. We know that this is painful. Sobrang nasasaktan kami na nakikitang nasasaktan kayo. Please know that it hurts the two of us more than you know. We were the happiest together, but it just won't be fair to pretend that everything is still the same. I don't know what the future holds for us. Sabi nga nila kung kayo, kayo talaga. Wala po kami dito kung wala kayo. Kaya sobra po kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pagmamahal at suporta. Please continue to support us as we try to heal and move forward. Gavin, it has been 7 wonderful years. I learned so much from our relationship, and I will always value the time we shared together. You have been such an important part of my life. Ang daming plano at pangarap na natupad natin ng sabay. Salamat sa pagmamahal na binigay mo sa akin at sa pamilya ko. You gave me the kind of love that I will forever cherish. I will always be thankful and grateful for you. You will always have a space in my heart. Breaking up is never easy, especially when it happens in front of everyone. Healing lang po namin ang inyong pag-unawa at respeto sa aming privacy habang sinusubukan naming simulan ang bagong yugto ng aming mga buhay. Gavin and I will continue to support each other as we go our separate ways. We hope that you will still join us on our new journeys.